How to verify Facebook page. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the menu page. Then scroll down. You're gonna find this option Help and Support. Click on that and then click on the option Help Center. Now here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Request Verification Badge. Then click on the option Request a Blue Verification Badge option. You'll be directed to this page. Navigate to this one option, Request a Verified Badge on Facebook. Now here you're gonna find two options, Verified Badges, Meta Verified. Scrolling down, you're gonna find this option, Fill out this form. Click on that. Now you will need to fill out this form to verify your Facebook page. First, you'll need to select what are you verifying, profile or page. So I'm gonna select page. Now click on this drop down and select your document type. Then upload that document. Click on this drop down and select category. Type in your country or visa name. Likewise, describe the people who follow your page or profile, include who they are, what they are interested in, and why they follow you. Here, list all the names the person or organization your page or profile represents is known by. Include different names and the same name in other languages. Now here you can add up to 5 articles that shows your profile or page is in the public interest. Once you fill out this form, click on Send. If you fulfill all the requirements to be verified, Facebook support team will now verify your page. And that's it. This is how you can verify Facebook page. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.